Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and today we are back with another unboxing and reviewing video because it's here, the brand new Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and we'll be covering everything about this device from its design to its performance to its build quality, camera, obvious, the ports and the Glyph lighting. So let's get started. Look at the design. The camera placing is different. It's looking premium yet a different one, and the glass back, transparent glass back. The Glyph lighting is here and it's quite sleek. Talking about its ports and buttons, we have at the bottom the speaker grill, the charging port, it's C-type, then we have a microphone and the SIM card tray. Then at the top we have another microphone for noise cancellation. Then at the right side we have the power button and the essential key, which is something different, something new, but I'll tell you later in the video what's the matter. And at the left side we have the volume rockers. Now it's time to switch it on. It's asking for a SIM, so I've got a SIM card for it. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and it's highlighting the colors, and I literally liked it because at this cost we get phones which have 1.5K resolution and it just has the FHD one. It's under the hood of Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, which is not very bad. We have tried it, tested it, but it's not very good one because we have successor variants of it. And this variant has paired with a 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In our test, the device handled multitasking, gaming, and no visible lags were there. Running on Nothing OS 3.0, it's clear and without bloatwares. It's equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, and we used it for a day and it ran quite well, and it's supporting a 50-watt fast charging, which is a better one because the 2A version had a 45-watt charging. But the charger is not included in the box as we've seen, and it's mentioned there you have to buy it separately from CND. Talking about the Glyph lighting, it's committing that it has 26 zones of Glyph lighting, which whether you are using it for notifications, the call ringing, the timer, the stopwatch, camera countdown, charging, and essential notification, it will give you that vibe. And now comes the favorite part of the video, the camera testing, and I'm committing it that it's better one from its predecessors. They have worked on it. So let's test it. So this is the output of the camera. I'm recording it at 1080 60 FPS in the front camera, and you can see I'm in the natural lighting right now. And just drop me down in the comment section how you like the camera, the color corrections. There's no jitter and lags. So guys, and now this is the 4K 30 FPS recording. It's a handy shot, no tripod there, and just drop me down in the comment section whether you're liking it or not. The colors, the sharpness, the deeps, blacks and whites. Now it's time for the conclusion. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro stands out from the crowd of smartphones in the mid-range, whether we talk about its performance, the robust performance, or its unique design quality. Either you like this design very much or you will be disappointed. There's nothing in between. While the omission of some accessories from the box might feel a drawback to you, but overall this phone is a good choice in this budget segment. I know they can do it in a better way, whether we are talking about the display or the chipset, but this one is a decent one and nice to fall under the budget of 30 to 35k. If you enjoyed our today's video, just give it a like, share it with your friends who are planning to buy this device. I'll be bringing more and more such videos to you, and now you'll tell me which phone to unbox in the next video, and I'll meet you super soon in the next one.